I want to say hi to my students in Mongolia, Aldarkhaan Soum, Zavkhan, Myanmar B.E.H.S, Mayangone, and my Access students in Palestine. I miss you guys, and I'll try to visit you as soon as I can, maybe next year or the year after that. Right now we're going to give a quick tour of my hometown, Cleveland, Ohio. So this is Lake Erie, one of the 5 freshwater lakes in the United States.
Well, I moved up here from Florida in 1985,
Oh, so you've been here since 1985?
but I was also born here.
Oh, okay.
Cleveland it's big enough to have a lot of things, a lot of activities. It has the art museum, and it's a lot of sport events, but it's not too big to be uncomfortable. I would never live in a city like New York or Chicago. It's just too big, too crowded, and it makes it difficult. Being by the lake is very pleasurable, which is why I'm here today. Well, this time of year, of course.
Oh, definitely.
But Florida is, it doesn't change. It's stays the same. And at least up here, you do have the traditional seasons you can enjoy. And the Browns.
Yeah,
and
Cavaliers.
coming to a park like Edgewater is a nice place to come.
I've lived here for, it'll be 77 years. I spent 4 years at Purdue, I was part-time in Cleveland. The thing I like about Cleveland, and this was told to me by a guy that I met from Toronto, it is a very convenient city. You can get from downtown Cleveland, which is right behind you, out to Gates Mills, which is one of our suburbs, and horseback riding in a matter of about 30 minutes, which is kind of neat. You can get from Cleveland to Vermilion, which is out west of here, and a big boating capital in about 45 minutes. So it's convenient. And of course, as you guys have probably seen, they're building all kinds of new things, which is exciting as it is. And this park that you're in, Edgewater, has been here for years, but since the Metro Parks system took over, they've improved it immensely. And this is our first time down here from a long time. So, okay?
Hola, my name is Fred Bosque. I'm Joel Bosque's dad. We live in Cleveland, Ohio. Cleveland, Ohio has many metro parks, beautiful places to walk and enjoy ourselves. I love living in a city because I have my family who live around me. And it's a great place to live. Adios.
Hi, my name is Shamadi. I'm 18. I'm from Cleveland, obviously. Some things I like about Cleveland is family. My family's from Cleveland. It's a small community. You run into a lot of people you know when you go out and things of that nature. There's a lot of parks. I live right by a park where I go to for everything. I'm in college right now. I'm a first year. I am majoring in social work. When I leave college, I plan on doing finding some kind of program to gain leadership experience to build up my resume for my major, because after I'm through, I want to become a social worker and work in foster care system, the Bear Foundation, etc., stuff like that.
What do you like about Cleveland?
What I like about Cleveland has 4 seasons. We have spring, we have summer, we have fall, and we have winter. And summer is my favorite season of the year because it's sunny, the sky is blue, everything is green. In the fall, I love the fall because all the leaves in the tree, they all change colors. They'll be like red, orange, and yellow. Real pretty. And then they all fall down. And when winter gets here, there's no leaves at all in the tree. It's all bare branches. And then we get snow. The only thing I like about winter is doing a snowman. It's the only time I like it. And going sled riding. But other than that, I don't like winter too much because I hate driving in the winter. The roads are very slippery. But we enjoy our summer.
Yo soy el abuelo de todos ellos, el papá de... Aprendan a hablar español. Yo soy puertorriqueño y
This is my dad, he's Puerto Rican.
Yeah, he's my interpreter.
Yeah.
Well,
Hey, I'm Joel's uncle, Manuel. So, like about Cleveland,
in case you want to know, how old I am,
the pros and cons.
Yo tengo 84 años.
That he was 84 years old. You guys were to interpret that.
And thank God he kept me alive for this time.